NEE stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Yeah, from a first glance, NextEra Energy is now looking good. I mean, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of clip predictions on my YouTube channel for free. This specifically just awfully cursed. Like, it's a bearish trend. Still, ultimately, these are going to be kind of the lows. I'm even seeing this like at the end of the week, we broke structure beneath this low. So that was kind of, for me, I think, like the final nail in the coffin. Broke this structure. So ultimately now, if I see the price kind of pull up eventually higher and then just shows me like a shift, honestly, this is going to be such a sick short that I'm starting to get excited. But if you ask me, but yeah, that's short side, but when are you going to be long? The moment I start seeing full candle closes above $70 and it's actually not that far away. So it just needs to be more volatile.